All right, everyone, and welcome back. We're going to be identifying weak lows on the charts. So before I get started, I'll give you guys a second to identify the weak lows. All right. So before we even get started, on this example, the order flow is bearish. Everything is to the downside. Potentially it's coming from a higher time frame, POI. A lot of factors play a role. All right. But we're not going to get into that. So again, you can't just choose a random high at a random area. It has to make sense. Okay. So just want to clear out the way. So this is a strong high right here. That strong high is going to automatically create a weak low. And that's why this low got taken. This is a strong high. That strong high is going to automatically create a weak low. That's why that low got taken. All right. Keep going. This is a strong high. That strong high is going to automatically create a weak low. That's why this low got taken. That's a weak low. That's a weak low. That's a weak low. All right. That's a strong high. That's why this low got taken. See that, right? This is just the combination of a strong high and a weak low, right? Then just putting everything together is what just makes this approach phenomenal, right? But this is how you identify weak lows on the charts. As of right now, on to the next one.